Check-ins provide opportunities for students to reflect on their work. First, create a check-in by navigating to your desired team and select Class Notebook. Show navigation and find the page you want students to reflect on. Select the Class Notebook tab, then Reflect. Choose a check-in question from the list and select Add Check-in to Page. Students select an emoji to respond. Only the educator will see the responses. Educators can view responses in the notebook, or view all reflections by selecting Insights, Reflect, In-Class Notebook. Select any bar graph for the full list of student responses.